So, if you guys haven't checked out my last video, I actually stitched a squishy, and I'm just gonna show you guys, check out my video that I did before. And if you came from that video, yeah. Hi. So, this is my homemade squishy, not most slow rising. It's super crusty though it's really cute. It's a little pickle. I want to make dots, but already has. Look at that, isn't it cute? I love the sound. It's not from memory foam. Look at that. I made it on the 1st of, what's this month again? Well, you can look at that. So day, month, year. This is just like a little cup. Hold your stuff like thread. Check out that video, which is stitched up. So I made a what's that squishy called? Like a breado sliced. Did you just see whatever? Just okay, like a sliced breado thing. I actually shaped it very nicely. Smell. Nah. So this is a heart squishy. It's really slow rising. Look at that. Whoa. Still rising. So I actually cut this squishy, which was the cake squishy, like shaping my squishies video, that cake squishy. Check it out if you haven't already. This was a compass, I think. It's on this side, if you can see it. The south, here's the north, the middle dot. I can't tell. But so I have the little cute leaf. If you guys can see the details. I've seen like giant squishy videos. Karina Garcia's video, she actually didn't paint the back of the pineapple squishy. Here I have the Coke squishy. So you can check out the squishies that this Coke squishy is from my, and also this compass squishy is from my all my homemade squishies video. Just go to my channel. I know you're already on my channel, but go to my channel and then click on the circle thing, and then just scroll down and find the all my homemade squishies video. If I still have it, I don't know. And over here, that. This is the first squishy that I did. Martin also did a giant squishy video, and he actually did an avocado. Look at that cuteness. I know it's kind of dirty on the side because I need to press it into the paint so that like it sticks on, because they're not. They actually have some defects because the paint is so hard. It's so cute. Oh yeah, this is my favorite. This is my favorite because it's quite slow rising, if you guys can see that. I mean, wait. Look at that. That's my mom, I think, playing some sort of video. If you guys can hear it, please just ignore that. Oh, look at that. Let me check if I have any squishies behind you guys, because I'm just a mess. This is not a squishy, it's just a stress ball. I covered it in paint. It started to crack up. Definitely don't want to smell this. Disgusting. Yeah, that's it. So, yeah. Bye guys.